AGCO Corporation was one of the first companies to adopt the ISOBUS standard. That's the international standard that allows different colors of implements and tractors to talk to each other. And we're here with Ben to give us a status report on where we are at with ISOBUS and AGCO in particular, and virtual terminals.
AGCO's been leading the way for quite a while with ISOBUS technology. We were the first to have it in tractors, and now we have it in multiple implements, including hay tools, planters, even combines. You can transfer the monitor out. So we've been really leading the industry in that. And gradually more and more companies are coming on board and adopting the standard when their new equipment comes out. So you'll be able to plug the implement from anybody's brand into whichever tractor you have without having to go through all the hassle of rewiring the consoles and everything every year.
And that allows for one monitor, and this is now on planters and balers. Any other implements?
Yes. All the new model large square balers have the new console in it that's ISOBUS compatible. Most of our hydraulic drive planters have it. You can actually take the terminal out of your combine and run your planter with it, or your baler. Round balers also have it now as well, so we've got quite a lineup of equipment that's compatible.
So where do you think this is all heading then as far as ISOBUS and what that'll enable for the future?
In the future, eventually everyone will be adopted to the standard, so you won't even be an option anymore. It'll be a standard equipment, and everyone will have it, so it'll be a lot like we always compared to how hydraulic couplers were changed back in the late 70s, where you always had to have adapters to plug everything in. Now you just have one plug and you're good to go, and eventually that's the way all your monitors will be for your tractors and all your implements.
And what do you see in terms of automation for tractors and guidance systems? How far do we have yet to go?
That's really just starting to get to the stage where people are really interested in getting more of it, where, as you know, 3 years ago light bars were kind of the thing, and now it's moved into automated steering. You're going to see more integration, I think, with your implement, where you'll be able to push one button and that will not only engage your auto guide system, but it'll also turn your planter on, turn your baler on, whatever you happen to be pulling behind. It will be a more integrated system, whereas right now you have an auto guide and you have a planter and you have a tractor. Eventually it'll be one button will run everything, which will then lead to you'll finally have an automated machine.